Hello, 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 everybody. It is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here to let you know Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter, Crafty sale with garage sale prices is August 31st at 4 Eastern, 3 Central, 2 Mountain, 1 Pacific on my channel. This is a sale that we had to postpone because Sabrina's little boy getting sick. It is next, when is that, Tuesday? Yep, next Tuesday. Here. I hope to see you there, everybody. The highest price Sabrina said is she thinks $5. The lowest price is 10 cents. This is a sale you do not want to miss. The prices are good to go. So see you there. There. Right here. Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Right there. And it's Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter's Goodies. See you there, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.